my name is Fer. We are going to talk about the phonetic alphabet.
That is composed of 12 vowels and 8 diphthongs.
And 24 consonants. I have something to say is that I will record with them, but don't worry, I will record in another place. So let's start.
Next, we'll talk about the vowels and the tone, and you can also observe the position of the vocal tract. This symbol is a short A. For example, a, bat, cap. This vowel is a long A. For example, car, laugh, part. This tone is a very open A. For example, cat, flat, fat. This vowel is a normal E. For example, bed, man, egg. This symbol is a schwa that can sound like any other vowels, but normally it remains as paired with, for example, teacher, father, enemy. This symbol is a long and strong E. For example, short, girl. This vowel is a short I. For example, sheep, heat, fish. This vowel is a long I. For example, sheep, reed, tree. This symbol is an open O. For example, clock, hot, not. This symbol is a O but tends to close. For example, door, horse, folk. This symbol is a short U. For example, good, look, good. This vowel is a long U. For example, two, two. This tone sound like I. For example, you lie, buy, fly. Tone sound like an owl, but are closed. For example, town, flower, cow. For example, afraid, take, they.
We will continue with the diphthongs. A, for example, fade, faint, fade, made. The diphthong. O, for example, home, nose. The diphthong. O-E, for example, boy, toy. The diphthong. O, for example, there, their, care. The diphthongs ear. For example, fear, ear, beer. The diphthong or, for example, pure, tourist, cure. Continue the consonants. B, for example, beer, beer. D, for example, those, die. F, for example, from, life. G, for example, goat, dog. H, for example, house, hog. J, for example, yes, yellow. K, for example, cold, dog. L, for example, call, love. M, for example, money, mom.
Well, it's me again. I'm going to continue explaining about the sounds of the International Phonetic Alphabet. Well, this is the sound. This sound is made when you put your tongue against the ridge just behind your top teeth, like this. So when you put your tongue there, you are blocking the air to come out by your mouth, so you have to come out by the nose, because this is a nasal sound.
Noodles, woman, and can.
The next sound is the sound. To produce this sound, you have to pull your tongue far back to your throat. It is and the air has to come out by the nose.
Morning, building, and yawn.
This is the p sound. This sound is made by building air, then stopping airflow, and then releasing air. Your lips blow the air, and then when you open them, you release the air like this.
Pizza, potatoes, and pulse.
This is the R sound. To make the sound, you have to curl your tongue and put it near the roof of your mouth, and then voice out like this. R.
Front, room, and refrigerator.
This sound is S. To make this sound, you have to clench your teeth together like this. Then put your tongue just behind them. Then you have to restrict the air to a little channel and then push the air through this little channel, and this will sound like this.
Kiss, silver, and spoon.
This is the sh sound. To make this sound, you have to clench your teeth together like this. Then put your tongue away from them and then push air through them. And this will sound like this.
She, sure, and crash.
This is the t sound. This sound is made by putting your tongue just behind your top teeth. Like this. Then releasing air by putting your tongue back into your mouth. And this will sound like this.
Tomato, tennis, and table.
This is the sh sound. This sound is made by putting your tongue at the ridge here, at the ridge, and then let the air pressure to force the tongue down and letting the air to come out, and it will sound like sh.
Catch, choose, and change.
This is the sound. To make this sound, you have to stick out your tongue a little. Then rest your top teeth in your tongue and then force air out between your teeth, and this will sound like this.
3. Think and earth.
This is the Z sound. This sound is made by sticking out your tongue a little, then resting your top teeth on your tongue, and then force air out while voicing out. And it will sound like this, like Z.
This, that, those.
This is the V sound. This sound is made by resting your teeth, your top teeth on your bottom lip, like this. Then force air between your teeth and your bottom lip, and this will sound like this.
Vegetables, veg, and vet.
This is the U sound. To make this sound, you have to push your lips like this. Then raise the back of your tongue near the roof of your mouth. And then voice out. And this will sound like this. U.
Wall, watermelon, and wash.
This is the Z sound. To make this sound, you have to clench your teeth together like this. Then put your tongue behind them, and the air is going to come out by a little channel when you voice out, and this will sound like this. Z.
Sue, nose, and lazy.
This is the Z sound. To make the sound, you have to clench your teeth together like this. Then put your tongue away from them, and then push air through them while voicing out. And this will sound like this.
usually, pleasure and collage.
This is the sound. To make this sound, you have to put your tongue near the ridge and then let the air force the tongue down, letting the air coming out when voicing out. And this will sound like it.
Join, and stage.